In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create funk music inside of Suno AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Suno AI, log into your account, and then go down to Create button down here. The FMEA should look something like this, where you can see your entire workspace with every single song that you have previously made. The FMEA, you need to go over here to the left hand corner, where you can see a symbol or a custom. If you choose custom, you can either add lyrics, you can make instrumental beat, and you can add the style of beat that you want to do. And you can also click exclude styles, add a persona if you want to do that. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna choose simple because you can be more detailed with your song with this one here. Now we need to select the prompts that we want to choose or write. And if you don't already have a couple prompts, I have a bunch of them linked down below for you to check out. So let's create one. Let's create some funk music. Needs to be some upbeat party vibe. Needs to be energetic and needs to have a heavy bass line. Then let's choose between 140 to 150 beats per minute. And when we are done, simply need to click either instrumental or not instrumental, where Suno AI will create lyrics for you. We don't want that really, so we can click instrumental and click create. Then Suno AI will create 2 beats for you. And we can take a listen to it when they are done to see if they are actually this funk vibe we are going for. And if they are not, we can just edit the prompts over here and click create again. But let's listen to it. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!